An NOS direct port system is easily identified by noticing multiple foggers, one intended for each individual intake runner. Each nozzle will accept fuel and nitrous jets and the appropriate feed line connections. When the system is activated, additional fuel and nitrous will be introduced just prior to each cylinder. Because each cylinder has its own nozzle, this method of delivery allows for higher increases in power and accuracy when compared to other nitrous systems, but is also a more complicated system to set up.
Multi-port fogger systems can be used on carbureted or fuel-injected engines. However, single-plane intake manifolds are preferred for carburetor applications. For fuel-injected engines, plastic or other non-metal intakes are not recommended for multi-port fittings. The alternate and preferred method for adding fuel is to install a second fuel cell and use a second fuel pump to feed fuel to the solenoids. Additional fuel is combined with the additional air from the nitrous, and much more power can be created in the cylinders.